Hey everybody, it's my Tyler here at OG Gamers World and OG Gamers Live, and we're back. Y'all probably wondering where I've been. I have been posting lately, or not as much, and that's because the weather has been bad. Got another storm coming. And you've probably seen some of the last few videos where I was having problems with my generator, and it was wore plumb out, and parts were not readily available to rebuild it. So what we ended up doing is getting a new generator, and it's a bigger generator. That's the upside. Downside is it took forever to get here. Anyway, let's get this unboxed. I don't think I'm gonna put the handles and the wheels on it today. I just need to get it set up to where I can run and charge my batteries. I've got a cord rigged up right over there for right now, because we don't want to put a heavy load on it during its break-in. So this will work out. Be right back. Now naturally it comes with the generator, starting instructions, owner's manual, keys, the wheels, handles, other hardware. And there's supposed to be a quart of oil in here too. We'll look and see if that's in here in a minute. So let's get this out. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to put the handles and wheels on this today. I'm just going to get it out, get it set up, and get it going. So be right back again. Okay. I've topped off the oil, put gas in it, got my plug hooked up. It's set to gas. I pulled the puller up a few times to make sure it splashed oil up so it wasn't starting dry. We've got the gas valve open. I don't know if this battery's up or not. I hope like hell it is. But we're gonna open the choke. Okay, we now have AC charging the batteries again. Let's check what our AC charging is set at. We need to go to 9. Enter. There we go. I'm gonna escape. Let's check our battery now. Yeah, we're hitting it with 58 amps. But I don't really need to generate this minute. Let's check our solar. Yeah, I'm making 2,000 watts, so let's kill the generator. We'll save it for tonight when we need it. Okay, y'all remember back towards the beginning of the video when I was talking about my old generator and the parts were not to be found for it? This is what's cool about the WIN. It comes with a troubleshooting guide, it comes with a wiring diagram, and it comes with the exploded view parts list for every part of the generator, with the part and the part number. both the generator side and the engine, including the pistons, the rods, bearings, everything that you can need. If it was used in that generator, it's got the part listed in a diagram here, and they're numbered. And then you can look over here in the parts list and find that part, and you can contact Wind and order the parts for it. Several pages. It just don't get no better than that. There was some things that I didn't like about the generator, but there's small things like it doesn't have a main breaker to where I can kill all the power. It uses the little touch breakers that, you know, if they get triggered, you push it back in, but there's no big double pole breaker like most generators have. So that's kind of a little bit of a downer for me, but that's okay. On the plus side, it has a multimeter that shows you the voltage, the frequency, total hours, and session hours. So that's pretty cool. I can keep track of how many hours I run it per session. I can keep track of my service schedule, like the oil is supposed to be changed every 25 hours, filters need to be checked, cleaned every 25 hours, stuff like that. So yeah, I do have it tied into the mains now. I'm just too tired to go out there and show that. You can probably hear it running. I'm charging batteries and doing laundry. And so far so good with this generator. Thank y'all for watching the end of the video. Click that like, that subscribe, that follow, that share. Every little bit helps and we appreciate it. I'll share a link to this generator either in the video description or a comment on the video depending on which platform it is. And y'all can go check it out. Y'all stay safe. Until next time, y'all. I'm out of here.